In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to safely delete your VPS subscription with Hostinger. Whether you're switching services or no longer need your virtual private server, it's crucial to do this right to avoid losing important data. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's walk through these steps together. Firstly, you'll want to access the Hostinger website and log into your account. This is your main dashboard for managing all your Hostinger services, including your VPS. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the control panel. From here, you'll easily spot the billing section. It's generally located in the top navigation bar or the left side menu, depending on recent updates to the dashboard interface. Clicking on billing will lead you to a comprehensive overview of your entire subscription landscape. Now that you're in the billing area, your task is to locate the subscriptions panel. Here, you'll find a list of all your active services. We need to drill down into the details of your specific VPS subscription. Browse through the list, and when you find the virtual private server you wish to delete, select it. There might also be several preferences or options displayed, so ensure you're selecting the correct one to avoid canceling another important service by mistake. Before you proceed, hold on a moment. This next step is very important. We need to back up your data. Deleting a VPS is irreversible, and all your stored data, files, and databases will vanish once the deletion process is completed. So it's absolutely crucial that you take some time to back up anything and everything you consider important. If you've been hosting a website, your text content, media files, and database entries need saving. Use a reliable backup tool or manually download these files to your local storage or a secure cloud server. The goal is to ensure that if you ever need to reference or use this data again, it's nicely preserved and accessible at your fingertips. With your data safely backed up and secure, you're now prepared to move forward with canceling the VPS. Completing these steps methodically ensures that you won't regret taking any hasty decisions and helps maintain peace of mind knowing that your data remains safely intact for future use. Taking this careful approach not only protects your work, but also makes any potential transitions significantly smoother. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Thank you for watching, and remember to double-check your data backups.